Hi, I'm Jessica with Eagle Creek, and this is our Travel Safe TSA lock. This is a Travel Century certified lock with a 3-dial combination. It comes in bright colors to help you identify your bag on the carousel. When you get your lock, it'll come with a preset combination of 000, but you can personalize this lock. Let me show you how. To set the combination on your lock, pull up the shackle and rotate it 180 degrees counterclockwise. Next, hold the latch down while you're setting the combination. It is important that you continue to hold it down for the entire process of setting your combination. Once it's selected, pull the shackle out and return it to its original location. Test it to make sure it worked. There you go. All Eagle Creek travel locks are covered by our lifetime warranty. To see our complete travel system, visit us online at eaglecreek.com.